Hi students, we are continuing with the drama Tempest, Act 4, Scene 1, page number 118 onwards. In the last video we had seen Prospero is agreeing with the love between Miranda and Ferdinand. And to make them enjoy, to make them happy, Prospero is arranging a mass with the help of Ariel and his fellow spirits. And we have seen till Iris is inviting Ceres to come and bless the couple. And Ceres is asking a question to Iris, why was I invited to this place? What is the reason? So now we will see from that part onwards. Iris, you have been invited to celebrate a solemn pledge of true love and freely to bestow some gift on the happy lovers. So Iris is answering to the question that Ceres asked. What was the question she asked? Why was I invited to this place? So Iris is saying, you have been invited to celebrate a solemn pledge of true love and freely to bestow some gift on happy lovers. And what is the duty here? You are invited to celebrate. What? You can he come and see here what is the true love is. And what you have to then now you have to gift them something and you have to bless them. Ceres, tell me, heavenly rainbow, if you know whether Venus and her son Cupid is now serving Juno. So now Venus has Ceres has a question. What is the question? First she wants to know whether Venus and Cupid. Venus son is Cupid. Cupid is the god of love. Are they serving Juno? Since they plotted against me by using those means by which Pluto, the dark god of underworld, got my daughter, I have avoided the disgraceful company of Venus and her blind son. So what is the problem Ceres is having? Ceres had a daughter. Ceres has a daughter. Her name is Prosperino. And she was in love with Pluto. That means Cupid is the god of love and she is the reason for having love. She makes people to love each other. The god of love. So what normally as per the Greek means, when two people see who is the reason, who is the cause for this love, Cupid the god, he puts arrows on each people, the love arrows. So that because of that, there what happens? The love happens. Okay. So here now Ceres lost her daughter. The daughter is with Pluto, the god of darkness. So she lost her daughter. So she has a hatred towards Venus and Cupid. So here why she is asking that question? Why? Because she doesn't like the company of doesn't like the company of Venus and Cupid. If they are here in this place, I won't come. That is a stand. Who will not come? Who won't come? Ceres. So if Juno is there, because Juno has to be here, because she is the god, queen of goddesses, she has to be here. If she comes, Cupid and Venus will come. Of course it is. So that's why she is asking whether they are here or not. If they are here, I will not come here because it is a disgraceful company. She doesn't like to be there with the company. So Iris is answering, do not be afraid of her company. Whose company? Venus and her son. I met her sailing through the clouds towards Paphos with her son in a chariot drawn by doves. They performed some magic charm on this man and maid who had vowed to have no physical union until they were married. So you don't worry, because when I came this place, I saw Venus and her son is sailing towards, they are moving towards the place Paphos on their chariots drawn by doors. That is, it is controlled by the doors. So they were taken, and you don't worry, they went somewhere else. They will not come here. And while going, they played some trick on this couple. What is a trick? Because already Ferdinand and Miranda had taken a promise. Until we get married, we won't have a physical relation with each other. And they played. Cupid played something on them, but it did not work. So that we can see in the next line. Their charm proved to be in vain. Venus, the darling of Mars, the god of war, has gone back. Cupid, her irritable son, has broken his arrows. He says he will not shoot no more, but play with sparrows like any other boy. So the play he has made, who? Cupid. Okay, the play that Cupid has made, he tried to make a physical contact between Ferdinand and Miranda, but it was in vain, because with his arrows, because already they had taken a promise, we will not do. Only after marriage we will have physical contact. So what is he saying? It is in vain. He says he will shoot no more. He will not do anything else. He will not shoot his arrows anymore. Arrows of love, arrows of lust. He will not shoot anymore, because they had taken a pledge. They had taken a promise. They will not have a physical contact. So the arrows which he sent, which he shoot, it is in vain. It is like an arrow that a small boy plays on sparrows. Now, Ceres, the most stately queen of heaven, great Juno, is coming. I recognize her by the manner of her walk. And what Ceres is saying, okay, listen, who is coming here now? Juno is coming, the queen of goddesses. She is coming here. How could I know that? I understood by her walk. By the sound of her walk, steps, I understood. Enter Juno. How is my generous sister? How are you? My sister, Ceres. Come with me to bless this couple, so that they may be successful and fortunate in having their children. So Juno is again requesting Ceres, come with her and bless. What is the blessing? Let them be successful in their life, in their love. And let them have good children. Let them have children and let them be good children. Now Juno is singing a song. What is a song? So it is a blessing by Juno. So your life should be blessed with all these things. What are? With honor, with riches, with a happy married life, a long life, and much happiness. And hours, your life will be with completely hours of joy be ever upon you. Juno showers her blessings on you. Juno is blessing you. The queen of heaven, the queen of goddess, is blessing you. Okay, so what all things should be there? Your life will be blessed with honor, blessed with riches, blessed with long life, blessed with happiness and hours of joy. Let your life be filled with all these qualities. Juno is blessing you. And now, as per the request of Juno, Ceres is blessing this couple. What? With what? May you be blessed with, Ceres is saying, may you be blessed with abundant crops, that you have enough and plenty and more crops, food. May your barns means storerooms, and stores be never empty. Let it be never empty. You will have enough and more, plenty of. And your vines have cluster of grapes. Your vineyard, let it have more abundantly grapes. Plants bearing, and your plants will have weighing more fruits. Let it be filled with fruits. May spring come to you at the latest, and by the very end of the harvest time. May scarcity and want never come to you. You will not be worried about scarcity and want. You will have everything enough and more. You will not hear the word scarcity and want. May the blessing of Ceres on you. The agriculture, the goddess of agriculture, bless you with all the things you need. That is, now Ferdinand has a doubt. He is clearing the doubt. What is the doubt? Ferdinand is asking, this is most splendid vision arranged by marriage. I can understand that this mask is prepared by Prospero with his magical power. And may I be so bold as to ask whether the singers are spirit. And I am asking a question. What is the question? Are these spirits singing the song? He has a doubt. Prospero, they are spirits which by my magic I have called for their faraway places to give shape to my fancies. So I have a vision, I had a dream, and I had an idea in my mind, and I have called these spirits from faraway places to perform this mask here. Ferdinand, let me live here forever. My wonderful father-in-law has wonderful powers and wisdom to make this place paradise. Ferdinand is wishing. He has a wish. What is a wish? Let me live here in this island with my father-in-law, with Prospero, because he is having power and wisdom, and he can make this island a paradise. So I wish to be here with my father-in-law. Juno and Ceres whisper and send Iris on a task. So I will see the next page. See, Prospero, be silent, Juno. Be silent now. Juno and Ceres are whispering to each other. There is something more to be done. Be silent, or else the magic charm will be inoperative. Prospero is saying, what? Be silent. So don't talk, Ferdinand. Don't talk now. See, Juno and Ceres, they are whispering something. There is something more to be. They want to do something more. Who? Iris, Ceres, Juno, all are here. They want to do something more. And be silent. If you talk, these spirits, they will become inoperative. They will become inactive. They won't do anything. So be silent. Iris. Now Iris is as per the command. Though the Juno has whispered something to Iris, so Iris obeyed that, and he is calling someone. Who is that? You nymphs, the spirit named Neaids. Neaids means it is the spirit of flowing streams. Okay, with your garlands woven from reeds and you come with garlands. The garlands, you know, the chain with flowers, that is known as garlands. So from prepared by reeds and unfolding innocent looks, leave your rippling streams. You leave, come with the garlands, you leave the streams and respond our calls. You respond to my call. And what is a call? Come to this green land. You respond to my call. Are you hearing? And you come and respond to this call and come here to this green land. Why? Juno asked you to be here. Who is calling you? The goddess of heaven, the queen of heaven is calling you. Who is that? Juno. Called, come, quiet nymphs. If silently you come and help to celebrate the marriage of true lovers. Don't be late. You come here in this place. Don't be late. Come here and enjoy the celebration and be a part of the celebration. Bless this couple. Now enter certain names, enter some spirits. You sunburned reapers, tired of August heat, come here for the plucked field and be happy. So you are tired. Some spirits are coming, and they are coming from the field after the reaping. Any type of harvest it can be, either wheat or rice, whatever it is. Let them coming after a reap, and they are coming. You forget of your tiredness and be happy, rejoice, and put on your rare straw hats. Put your hats. The hat which they use while they were reaping in the field. Put this hat, and what you have to do? Join young nymphs in a country dance, and join with other nymphs, and you dance, and you do a country dance, and let us enjoy, let us refresh ourselves, let us enjoy, let us celebrate in this marriage function. Let us bless them. That is what the Iris is asking to do, the nymphs to do. Okay, my dear students, here we are stopping the next second part, and it is not so difficult. It is easy to understand, and understand it is a mask, okay, prepared by the spirits, and you read this. So I am taking only very little portions, a 4-page content only we are dealing in a day. So it is, you are getting enough and more time to read and understand things. Okay, by the next class I will complete Act 4 Scene 1. Okay, by that time you read this from the beginning till here, almost 8 pages you have covered, but you read till there. If there is any doubt, you can comment. Okay, so till then, till we meet in the next video, stay safe. Thank you.